You searched for how to buy shares of Emirates Reem Investments Company PJSC, ticker ERC.AE, listed on the Dubai financial market. This video explains the process for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade ERC.AE, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an official ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ERC.AE to locate the listing. Make sure the result shows Emirates Reem Investments Company, PJSC, on the DFM before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for ERC.AE. Confirm the ticker and company name to ensure you have the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing. Once the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. A link is in the description if you want to visit eToro and follow the same steps.